to my homeboys. I want to give a shout out to my girl Shaniqua. I want to give a shout out to my hoes. I want to give a shout out to my homies. I want to give a shout out to my mama, my papa, my cousin, my auntie, my uncle. I want to give a shout out to my little baby niece. I want to give a shout out to my boys up in WWE, Big Show, Undertaker, Kane, Brett Michaels. I want to give a shout out to John Cena. I want to give a shout out to John Cena. I want to give a shout out to Eddie Guerrero. I want to give a shout out to Rey Mysterio. He's a boss. I want to give a shout out to my hoes. I already said my hoes. I want to give a shout out to the doctors, David Tennant, Matt Smith, Tom Arnold. I want to give a shout out to Dane Cook, Jon Stewart, John Cena. I want to give a shout out to John Cena again because John Cena is a boss and you can't see it.
And that's my friend Justy. Hey all, this is my very first video.
I want to give a shout out to my vegetables, lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, pickles, tomatoes, pickle. No, I already said pickles. Potatoes. I want to give a shout out to romaine lettuce, to iceberg lettuce. I want to give a shout out to bell peppers, green peppers, yellow peppers, chili peppers, red hot chili peppers. I want to give a shout out to my favorite bands, Styx, Styx. I'm not doing too well. I want to give a shout out to Styx, Rush, Pink Floyd, Beatles. I want to give a shout out to Imagine Dragons, That One Nation. I want to give a shout out to Cage the Elephant. Woo!
Are you done?
And Morgan Freeman, Patrick Swayze, Patrick Stewart.
Okay, you're done.
Okay.
And give a shout out to what's his name?
My balls, bitch. I want to give a shout out to my balls.
Neil Patrick Harris too.
Neil Patrick Harris, I love you, boo.
Okay, and that's enough for my friend Jesse. This is my first video, and my friend Betty is in the background. We are going to a place called Park Square. And
love you, boo boo.
Yes, and he's crazy.
I want to give a shout out to
No!
John Zoidberg, Philip J. Fry, Taranga Leela, Professor Hubert J. Foggs. What?
And wow.
And Hermes Comrade. I want to give a shout out to Zeb Brannigan, Keith Kroger. I want to give a shout out to Leela's mom, pa, and President Richard Nixon. Because all hail Nixon, all obey the Hypnotone.
Okay, now this is my video, so shut up.
I want to give a shout out to Bart, Homer, Lisa. I want to give a shout out to Maggie, Marge, Nelson, Ralphie. Comic book guy.
And
Duffman. Oh yeah.
And we like to also give a shout out to Markiplier, PewDiePie, and
Shane Dawson. Oh my God, Shane. Honestly,
and my friend really wants to meet you, so if you ever send a video.
Shane, honestly, I'm gonna say this: you are freaking hot.
What? And he's also taken by Lisa.
I don't give a fuck.
Okay. My first video is gonna be short, and since I'm going to say, so I have to say I love you all. You're all awesome, and he's being an ass right now. You guys are all awesome.
I want to give a shout out to my ass.
Shut up!
It's big
and
beautiful.
I love you, and the world loves you, and you guys are all beautiful. Bye.